Previously in our last episode,
Dragon Wheel Watusi!
and just ahead,
What is it you can't face?
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of two cats. G here from OG Creations. Hag Sameach to all my Jewish brothers and sisters out there, as today starts the celebration of Hanukkah. Even though Hanukkah takes place near Christmas, it is not the Jewish Christmas.
One of these things is not like the others.
Hanukkah is a time to surround ourselves with community and loved ones, and to fill our home with light.
Hanukkah.
In short, light some candles and eat fried food. Last year, I did a special release every single day of Hanukkah. I did tie-dye shirts that were inspired by Gelt, Sofken Yod, latkes, even the flames of the Hanukkah.
Too much of the Manischewitz. I'm gonna have to be cut off.
So this year, I had no flippin' clue how I was going to represent Hanukkah in a video release.
Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand.
What the fuck is that?
The day after Thanksgiving is the day to decorate your home and prepare for the holidays. Ken and I are no different. And this year while we were decorating, we were listening to some random holiday channel on Apple One Music when the Christmas song came on. Did you know
What is it you can't face?
that song was just called the Christmas song? I guess I never knew the title. When you're listening to the lyrics, it's just a lot of random facts. And then my mind instantly thinks, could this possibly be the 1946 precursor Anyway, while we were listening to the song, and like most songs that I listen to, my mind started to change the lyrics and make it not safe for work. For example, Jack Frost was sipping on my hose.
Nice job, Chris. You got my shirt wet.
And that's inspiration!
You're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration.
Could I possibly make some men's briefs and thongs that were glazed in a Hanukkah blue frost that looked like it was shot directly out of Jack's wooden staff? I googled Jack Frost to get a little bit more detail on this dude, and some weird ass shit was coming up. Like, did you happen to know that Jack Frost and Elsa from Frozen were banging?
We could talk about Jack Frost. Here comes Jack Frost.
Well, what happened? If I pull out the toilet cleaning gel and bleach streaks in every direction, reminiscent of those fern-like frost patterns you see on your windows. Then using different shades of icy blue, apply a mixture of liquid and dry dyes to create a magical frosty design chilly enough to shrink even the largest of poles.
I was in the pool!
Whether you prefer up, down, left, or right, tuck in, because we're getting started. I start by stretching completely dry, non-treated, men's 100% cotton, 5% spandex briefs and thongs in black onto a smooth plastic cutting board. Using bleach gel in a 4-ounce bottle with a needle nose applicator, I create streaks in multiple directions directly on the fabric. It takes a bit longer for the fabric to react to the bleach when it's dry, but it holds its shape and it does not blur, which is exactly what I want here. The reaction time will be cut down if you're doing this in a warm room, so the warmer the better. These set for about 25 minutes. To keep the distinct lines and to eliminate bleeding to the other side, I carefully remove them from the board and run them individually through the washer using the quick tap water rinse cycle. Once completely dry, I repeat the same process to the other side. They are all soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and then set aside for 24 hours until practically dry. Next, they are individually dip dyed. Here I am using ice blue. Once I'm happy with the color, I lay them on my dye rack using the crumple technique. They are then set aside for 2 to 3 hours. I lightly sprinkle dry dye powders across them. Here I'm using colors of Periwinkle and Midnight Blue. A light layer of soda ash is applied. Again, they are set aside, this time for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. They are rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. They are then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I add it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Ooyy! I think these are beautiful. They are the epitome of a classic Seattle winter. I can't wait to try this technique with different colors in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, make sure to do so in the section below. I love responding to everyone. Plus, it really does help with the algorithm for new viewers to find this channel, and that's the whole point. So comment away! As always, please make sure to like and subscribe. Hanukkah Sameach and happy holidays! I'll see you next week.